The Sony Xperia 1.6 is a flagship device designed for those who prioritize media creation, offering top-tier camera capabilities, a stunning 4K OLED display, and excellent performance. Here's an in-depth review of the device. The Xperia 1.6 features a premium aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back, making it both durable and sleek. It also boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. However, the 21:9 aspect ratio makes the phone tall and narrow, which can be cumbersome for one-handed use. The 6.5-inch 4K OLED display is one of the highlights, delivering stunning color accuracy, HDR support, and high resolution perfect for watching videos, gaming, or media editing. The variable refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and efficient power management. The 48MP primary sensor provides sharp, detailed images with excellent dynamic range. The continuous zoom lens offers greater flexibility compared to earlier Xperia models. The Xperia 1.6 shines with its real-time eye autofocus and fast face tracking, ideal for portraiture and action shots. For videographers, it can record 4K video at 120 frames per second and offers 5x slow-motion recording, although the lack of an ND filter limits video shooting in bright light. The 12MP front camera delivers sharp, high-quality selfies with real-time eye autofocus, which is a useful feature for vloggers, although it does not match the versatility of the rear camera system. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM, the Xperia 1.6 offers blazing fast performance. It handles gaming, multitasking, and demanding photo/video apps with ease. However, some users have reported thermal throttling during extended periods of gaming or video rendering. The 5000 mAh battery offers solid battery life, easily getting through a day of moderate use. However, the combination of the 4K OLED display and camera features can lead to higher battery consumption under heavy use. The device supports 30W fast charging, though it's slower compared to some competitors that offer 45W or faster charging. Notably, there is no wireless charging, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. The Xperia 1.6 runs on Android 14, with Sony's custom UI, which provides several professional-level tools for photographers and videographers, including the Cinema Pro and Photo Pro apps. The camera app has been simplified by merging these two, making it more user-friendly but sacrificing some advanced features. Overall, the software is clean, with minimal bloatware. Pros: stunning 4K OLED display, professional-grade camera system with real-time eye autofocus, excellent audio quality with high-res audio and headphone jack, top-tier performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, durable build with IP68 rating. Cons: large and tall form factor may be hard to handle one-handed. Thermal throttling during heavy use. Slow charging, compared to some competitors. No wireless charging or ND filter for video. Conclusion: the Sony Xperia 1.6 is a media-centric flagship that excels in areas such as photography, videography, and audio quality, making it a fantastic choice for content creators. However, the large form factor, slow charging, and lack of wireless charging may deter some casual users. If you're looking for a high-performance device with professional-grade camera features and a beautiful display, the Xperia 1.6 is a great option.